The credit union's Pay Bills feature makes it easy to send payments, transfer money, and connect your personal accounts. To start sending payments, begin by logging into your account and choose the Move Money option from the top of the screen. From the Move Money menu, choose the Pay Bills option. To send someone money, choose the Pay a Person option at the top of the screen, then select Add Contact. You will need to complete the two-step verification in order to add a new contact. Next, in the fields provided, enter the other person's first and last name and their mobile number or email address. Enter a security question and answer, and then save the contact. On the date the transfer is sent, the recipient will receive a link to the security question by email or text to complete a one-time verification process. You'll want to make sure the recipient of the payment knows the answer. In the Pay a Person tab, select your contact and click Next. Then, choose the account to withdraw the payment from and complete the amount field. Change the frequency and add a memo if needed. Click Pay to complete the transfer. You will receive confirmation that the payment has been sent, and the recipient will need to accept the transfer. To edit a scheduled transaction, click the transaction from the Activity tab to expand the details. Click Delete to cancel the transaction, or click Edit to make the necessary changes. Save your changes once the edits are complete. Transactions can be canceled or changed until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the send date. Take control of your money with Pay Bills and give it a try today.